Hey guys, it's Miss Torillo. Just want to make sure we have all of our materials ready to go before we start making our tote. So you need to make sure you have your direction sheet. You need some scissors. You need some pins. You need a measuring tape, which is loose like this. You need a ruler. You need a pencil, which mine is right here. And then you need your fabrics. So I have this heavier weight fabric for my outer fabric of the tote, which will be what you see on the outside. Then I have this lighter weight, softer brown fabric, which will be my lining, which will be this example, which is inside that tote right there. You can kind of see how it'll be on the inside. And then I'm supposed to have webbing, cotton webbing for my straps, my handles. But I don't have that because I was silly and didn't get it. So today I'll be just using some ugly pink ribbon that doesn't really go, but it will at least do the job of showing you how you're supposed to sew it down and everything. So make sure your desk area looks somewhat like mine and then move on to the next video. Good luck.